Hello everybody, it's Niklas for this new videos on Inkscape. So Inkscape, it is an open source graphic design software. It is a free software and you can work in vector. So this is why Inkscape is also amazing. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a reflect on text. So text effect reflect. If you like my videos, don't hesitate, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn more about Inkscape, it is on the first link on the description. You will find a course, Inkscape, the complete course is available and everything is on the first link. So let's start with this text effect. The first thing that I'm going to do is to click on the text tool, create and edit text object. I can arrive here and just go left click, just type some text, and let's increase with the selection tool the size. I can make something like this first. The second thing, I can apply a color. Let's go on fill and stroke, fill. Let's just activate a little different color, like for example something in dark blue. I want to edit my text again. I can double click and change. I want to have a font family little different because I think it's not enough. So why not to apply this font family? It's going to be great. And after to do this work, I'm going to increase little bit again. Maybe I'm going to double click, select, and continue a little bit. I can select also this font family. It's going to be again better because it's bigger. After to do this work, the aim is to make some adjustments. So duplicate with Ctrl D. You can press Ctrl D, you duplicate your element and you position this here. After I need to flip, and for this I can go on my option of object, flip selected object vertically, like this. Now it's great. And I can use the snapping options like that. If, for example, this is not going to snap, you can just go on this area, you can activate the snapping options, and thanks to that, you can directly go corner to corner on the bounding box. Now I want to create a transformation. I can go directly on transformation panels. If you don't have this panel, you can just go on object, and you have transform here, and thanks to that you can open this panel. You can go on skew and you can enter a value horizontally, and for example if I want I can type 20 degrees, just press enter and I can turn like this. And why it's useful? Because now I can snap with this transformation. If it's not enough, you can come back, just let's come back here. And if, for example, it's not enough, you can tap again. I can tap 40, just press enter. Here, I think it's a little bit more. I'm going to try with 30, just like this. Maybe it's a little bit more also. I think 25 can be great. Let's tap 25. Yes, just like this. I think... Yeah, I think finally at the beginning 20 was great. This value of 20 was great. So I'm going to come back, just tap 20 again and press enter. After we can change for sure. Just validate. After I can, if I want, remove the snapping options, just like this. And the last step is to apply a gradient. So I can go and fill and stroke. This is just an object. This text is an object, and I can change for gradient, linear gradient. And I need to click on my create and edit gradient tool because I need to change the point and position the first point on this part and position the second point on this part. And after you can create your reflective fix, so it means you can go around, for example, this area like that. And depending on what you want to do, you have your first point. So the first point is the same blue color. The second point is the same blue color, but the difference is just the transparency at 0. If you increase the transparency, you can work, why not, with 20%. But if you want, you can stay on 0. And why not also take this, drag and move little in this direction, and you can make this type of render, just like this. but if you want, you can pull a little bit. And take a glance, if I deselect everything, I created this effect. You can also, why not, reduce little the object, just like this. And thanks to that, you can create this type of render, just here. At any moment, you can create a background. Select, for example, create a rectangle. Let's go on fill, stroke paint first, no stroke, fill, and let's apply a color. Why not something like orange? I need to apply this transformation. And if I activate on this area toggle snapping page border, as you can see, I'm on the foreground. You can just click here and lower selection to bottom. It's going to be better. And I can increase and create backgrounds just like this. There you can make this type of effect with every color, and you can add a background, not add backgrounds. It's just an example like this. So it's okay for this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let like also on the videos. You want to learn more about Inkscape, you can take a glance on the first link on the description. You will see the complete course of Inkscape, all the details of the models, all the details of the sessions, and thanks to that we will have an ID. If you want to master Inkscape, it is on the first link on the description. For this, on the next video, see you, ciao ciao.